Alright, this is my new gun. And I'm gonna shoot that stuff.
Oh, you get both?
No, you're gonna shoot the...
Alright, I want the cup.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
How'd that go?
There it is.
There it is. Alright. Shoot the cup.
Put safety on? Okay,
Yep. Aim a little low. Or
Aim low?
yeah. Put like the bottom of the sight on the cup. Bottom of the sight.
I'd be aiming high. There it is.
Aim a little high, that's what I meant. Alright.